Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming at you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, I'm going to show you how you can lose weight overnight. Yes, you heard me. Overnight. And you can shed 5 pounds doing this. Over a few days, you can shed that stubborn, that fast. So if you want to see instant results of this drink, you have to follow also a very strict diet, low carbs, and exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Alright, so let me show you exactly what you need to do to lose that weight really quick. Alright, what you're going to need for this is you're going to need you can use a personal size blender, which is what we're using today. You're also going to need some ground cinnamon. You're going to need some bananas, and this is my bananas frozen. Okay. You're also going to need some almond milk. Alright, check down below in the description bar for links for the video on how to make homemade fresh almond milk. Okay, and you're also going to need a piece of ginger root. So let's start this off right now. Now, I'm going to use my personal size cup, and in it we're going to be using 1 banana. Okay. Pop that in there, break it in half. And we're also going to be using 1 teaspoon of ginger root. So I'm just going to shave off some ginger root. Okay, and that's about a teaspoon of ginger root. Okay. And we're also going to be needing 1/2 cup of our almond milk. Okay. And lastly, we're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of our cinnamon powder. Okay. Very simple and easy. Okay, we're going to get that started. And now we're just going to blend and make it nice and smooth. Okay, and lastly, we just pour it in our cup and drink that down. Very tasty. Okay, so you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Also drink this instead of breakfast. It may not look like a lot, but it's okay. You're gonna replace your breakfast with this. This, like I said, this is a very strict way of you losing those 5 pounds instantly. And make sure you drink a glass of water before bed. And do not eat dinner. This is an awesome way to get rid of that stubborn fat. And it's not a starvation diet, but this is a very strict diet for those of you who have been stuck with certain types of weights on your body, not able to burn off that fat, and you're having problems. So this is a very effective way for you to get rid of that weight instantly. Alright, and you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You replace it with breakfast. You also eat very light, low calorie meals during the day. Skip dinner. All right, and make sure you drink a glass of water before going to bed, and that's it. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful weight loss video of an overnight way of losing weight. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family. And also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skin care, fashion haul videos, and family vlogs, okay? Also check down below in the description bar for links regarding the metal straws, and also the personal size NUTRIBULLET blender, as well as the full size blender. All right, for those of you who are interested. So thank you so much again, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.